Oh my gosh. Oh, jumbo. Jumbo crawfish, jumbo mussels, jumbo shrimp. Crave si Rina Jess ng Cajun crawfish boil habang dito kami sa US. So we found this place dito lang sa Mesa, Arizona. How is it, be?
2 thumbs up.
Ang lalaki jumbo. Wow, these crawfish are huge.
Push the tail.
Oh, there it is.
Coming up.
Looks like we found the right place.
Best part.
We got half-pound shrimp, half-pound crawfish, half-pound mussels with the house special Cajun sauce. $22. Happy Reina Jess. Oh. Sarap.
Thank you, ma'am.
Siyempre, deserve.